What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, questions. Comment. They put metal in this tape? Concerns. Any and everything down below. Ha. Now then. Ooh. So in case you have streaks on your glass cases, the best way to clean them is with a glass cleaner and actually newspaper. Instead of using a towel or a rag or something like that, just use the newspaper and, yeah, it'll help prevent streaks. Now that we know that, let's know about the... Oh, come on, tape? Tape? This dispenser won't come alive. Why do you have to tape it up? Maybe this one's easier to open. Reinforced with metal. I'm serious. I really think that this tape is. Oh, wow. That is really cool. Very cool. This Donald Duck dispenser you must have if you want to have a master set. For if you focus. Thank you. Hencho En Mexico. Which basically means made in Mexico. There's your patent number. Now there's a couple variations of the stem. You can see them without the patent number. It just says Hencho En Mexico. And then this one here. Let me look up. Plastic head spring on these. And there's no IMC, no injection mold code. So we're not sure which company made this one. Except by this down here, that it is made in Mexico. So, Donald Duck, yet another one we have for the master set, but wait, there's more! I've read about this PEZ dispenser in a couple PEZ books. I've only seen one other than this one here, and I had an opportunity to acquire it, so I thought I would. This is a Yellow Rooster. Merry Melody Maker. A very hard dispenser to find. A very rare dispenser. I mean, how many have you seen? But what's really cool about this dispenser is now I get to share it here. And show everybody, hey, not only does this exist, but it's extremely underrated. I like the way the eyes aren't painted on and it's actually part of the plume. Very wise. Way to save on paint, guys. So yeah, this is a pretty cool box. I have a very underrated PEZ dispenser, and I have yet another Donald Duck getting closer to the master set we're building. Oh, that's going to be cool when that's complete. So until next time...